This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Olivia Sawyer. Why build when you can buy practically new? Priced at appraised value. Well-maintained 3-bedroom rancher with an amazing basement. Fantastic floor plan with large front atrium that leads to 2 well-sized bedrooms sharing a full bath. Vaulted ceilings and a light-filled open floor plan greet you in the generous kitchen, living room and dining room area with access to the back porch and lovely wooded views. Off the main living area is the massive primary suite featuring its own sitting room or office area. The large closet and spa-like primary bath are well suited for all your needs. A well-sized laundry room greets you off the access to the 2-car garage and leads to the basement. The huge basement space is open for anything you can imagine, featuring another full bath and access to the upgraded hardscape patio. Phenomenal storage space or a perfect area for a gym available in the conditioned, unfinished basement area. January 6, 2025. For more information, review the details below.